Hey guys, welcome back to the Vera Projects. Today we're going to go ahead and try out the Graco 360 model, which allows you to basically turn the machine at all different angles for you to spray furniture. The cool thing about this is that it releases all the air inside. So basically you drop in paint in here and then you just squeeze the bucket and it removes all of the air that's in the bucket itself. So we're going to go ahead, try this out. I have a tumbler that goes underneath the bed. I'm going to spray that first, and then I'm going to spray some additional pieces of furniture to see how it works. All right, so let's see how it looks.
And don't forget, I am Luke. I'm going to join my dad I'm going to watch him paint. So let's get started.
Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, so let's open this guy up and see what it looks like inside really quick. Here we go. This is corded.
Yes. And look at that big thing. It's
very nice. So it looks like you have here the different sprayers, number 4, and over here we have number 12.
Yeah, number 12.
Okay. What is that? That's basically the how big the spray is going to be when it launches. Okay, so let's see what else comes in here. Oh, here you go, the top and the bucket.
The bucket for the paint.
So, oh cool, look, it comes with 2 of these. So we only really need 1. The nice thing is you place that there. It's got kind of like a suction in here. It's got a rubber that when you place it, it seals it completely. So let's go ahead and do that. And you got to spin it all the way until the arrow meets the actual blue here. So if it's here, it's not going to work out. It needs to actually be right there, tight, right? So what you're going to do is you got to fill it up with paint. At this point, we haven't done it so yet, but let's go ahead and see how it looks like when we place this in here.
That looks so cool.
There you go. You just put it in there, you twist it, and you're good to go.
And then,
so let's go ahead and put some paint in here and see how it really works.
Okay.
All right, guys. So I filled it up with paint. I did the rotation. I placed it just like that. The arrow with the actual sticker. And now let's go ahead and put this on. Okay. So from my understanding is that you open this up and you squeeze here to get as much air out as possible until you see the paint come up here, right? Okay, so I see it there. Done. Okay. Now we need to plug this guy in. All right, so here we go. We're gonna plug this guy in. I'm gonna remove the extension. I'm gonna plug it in here. Right. So that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is this way. So you can pull on the cable and it won't get disconnected. So that's the way I like to do it. So if I'm pulling on this cable, it doesn't get unplugged in the middle of me spraying. Okay. So this you set this to prime. And this should be ready to spray. Make sure that you rotate this the correct way so it does spray. Okay. So this piece is forward, so that's going to allow you to spray. Just want to show you. Make sure that this is looking forward. Okay. I don't know if you can see, but in here, when you rotate, you can actually see that you don't see the nozzle, the spray nozzle, but when you rotate it, you'll see the spray nozzle in there. Okay, so let's give this a try. Okay, let's try this. I rotated this from the pump, right, to spray now, from pump to spray. So you see that? And all we gotta do is hit that trigger, see how it rolls. Okay? Let's go. All right, guys, so this machine is pretty amazing. It literally took me about 2 minutes or less to do this. And it covered it completely. So I'm gonna leave it here to dry overnight. The bottom, I don't care because you're not gonna see it. But as you see, it did an amazing job overall. Looks great.
That's corner style.
Alright guys, so I had a chance to clean the machine. You basically put a lot of hot water in here with soap and you run the cycle 3 or 4 times just to get everything out of the system to the point that all you're spraying is clear water. Best way to clean it. Let me go ahead and show you the finished product. Looks really good. Yeah, look, looks really good. Still some areas here that need to dry, but it looks perfect. Much better than having to roll it or brush it on. I can't wait for this to dry, and tomorrow I'm going to do the other piece of bed. But at least I wanted to show you how good of a quality it does using that Graco sprayer. Alright guys, so we already did the trundle, so now we're going to do the day part of the bed. So we're going to go ahead and spray this. Guys, so I went ahead and like I told you, I sprayed the trundle, I sprayed the bed, and this is pretty much how it looks like. It's a day bed, and it was all brown, and I really didn't want to use that color anymore, and I kind of wanted to stand out from the blue wall in the back. But it looks great. So I definitely do recommend, if you're looking to spray some of the furniture that you might have, just get that Graco sprayer. It's pretty awesome. Well, thanks for watching the theveraprojects. I hope you like the Graco sprayer. You could do so many things with this thing, you know, spray your gutter, your baseboards, or a lot of people even use it just to do one room. You know, they basically cover the floor with tarps and basically just spray the whole bedroom. You know, it's much easier than having to roll it and those sorts of things. A lot of people do crown molding with it, but there's a lot of versatile things you can use with this tool. It's definitely worth the price for it. I think I paid like $159 for it around there on Amazon. It was much cheaper on Amazon based on all the places I've searched at. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate everybody watching, and have a great one.